Backlinks are a very sensitive topic in the SEO industry nowadays. After the Google update, a lot of people are telling us that backlinks don't work anymore. Frankly, I agree with them to a very large extent. Backlinks don't work if they are done the classic manner in which SEO professionals just build a big load of low quality backlinks on blogs or on websites using shady techniques. That caused the Google penalties, particularly the Penguin update, and all of those backlinks actually turned into a penalty which brought rankings down. So I'm going to tell you upfront, don't build bulk backlinks. They're useless. And if you build bulk backlinks on blogs using trackbacks or using profiles or any of those techniques, they will actually cause a drop in your rankings. So when you build backlinks, make sure you're targeting PR3 plus pages. Make sure the page rank is high and the page is well respected. Because if you have links on pages that are low quality, that don't have that much page rank, that much PR, the links are as good as not being there at all because they're not going to help you boost your rankings. Then I want to tell you that a very good way to get good quality links and good quality traffic is to create a website around your channel. What does your channel do? What niche does it serve? Make a website around it, write articles on that topic, answer questions on it, generate content on it, and also put your videos in the website and make sure you link to your channel from the website. That way you will be able to feed your channel from your website, and maybe your channel can feed the website too. So this could be a great process to get good quality links and build traffic on both ends, the website and the channel at the same time. I do that on all the channels I have and it works very well for me. Then a good way to get good quality backlinks can be to get endorsements from website owners. You can approach website owners, you can approach blog owners and ask them to maybe feature your website or to write an article on it, and you can give them some sort of benefit like maybe a free copy of the product that you're making or some other benefit that will entice them to feature your website or create a backlink to your website along with a proper endorsement. Make sure that you approach only those webmasters which are from your niche, because all the viewers who come to your channel or your website from these links will be high quality and they will actually watch the videos you're making, which will go a long way in improving your rankings.